Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So in our previous class, what are the things we have discussed? Comparison of numbers, comparison of 2 digit, 1 digit and identifying the greatest number and the smallest number, putting symbols greater than, less than and equal to sign. And today we will discuss the next part, page number 209, that is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. In our daily life, we will use some words instead of the numbers. What are those? Some examples I will tell you. Kavana has got first rank in her 3rd standard. Suresh got 3rd rank in 5th standard. Okay. In a zoo, the tiger is in 5th place. Okay, like that we will use first, second, fifth. Okay, we will use, instead of some numbers, we will use some words. These words are known as ordinal numbers. Okay, what are the ordinal numbers? How many? We will discuss now. Instead of 1, we will use first. The spelling you should by heart. So, F-I-R-S-T, first. And the symbol of first is this, representation of first. For second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. This is the symbol of second. Just look at your textbook, page number 209, ordinal numbers. A number tells the position of something or someone in a sequence. Bar list is called an ordinal number. Look at the picture and discuss the position of each participant. See, in the first one, Duke. Second, Rohan. 3rd place, Anita. 4th, John. 5th, Kavita. 6th, Sandhya. 7th, Karan. 8th, Sunita. 9th, Varun. So, these first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these numbers are showing the position of that respective students. So, next page, they have given the student's name and they have given blank to write the position of that respective student. First one, Duke, Duck is in the first position. Anita is in the, Anita, where is Anita? Anita is in 3rd place. So write the answers. Anita is in dash position. So Anita is in which position? Anita is in 3rd. T-H-I-R-D. 3rd position. Next, Kavita. Kavita is in the dash position. Just look at the picture. Where is Kavita? Kavita is in 5th place. F-I-F-T-H, 5th position. Then Karan. Karan is in the dash position. Varun is in the dash position. Rohan is in the dash position. John is in the dash position. Okay, next Sandhya. Sandhya is in the dash position. Sunita is in the dash position. So just look at the picture and write the positions. Now Karan. Where is Karan? Karan is in 7th position. You can write this also. 5th means 3rd. This also you can write. Varun is in. Where is Varun? So write the whole spelling. Better to write the spelling. So Anita is in 3rd position. Kavita is in 5th position. Karan is in 7th position. SEVENTH. 7th position. Varun is in 9th. NINTH. CNINTH. 9th position. Then Rohan. Where is Rohan? So Rohan is in 2nd place. Then John. John is in 4th. FOURTH. 4th position. Next Sandhya. Sandhya is in 6th position. Sunita is in 8th. EIGHTH. 8th position. So write these answers in your textbook. Next, short forms of ordinal numbers. First, we will see 1 to 10 ordinal numbers. Then the short form of that ordinal numbers. So, FIRST first. This is the ordinal number for 1. So SECOND second. THIRD third. Fourth FOURTH fourth. FIFTH fifth. SIXTH sixth. SEVENTH seventh. EIGHTH eighth. NINETH ninth. TENTH 10th. Okay, just once again look at it. These are the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. So by heart the spelling. FIRST first. SECOND second. THIRD third. You know 4 spelling? Yes. After that you just do TH suffix for this. Suffix means adding TH at the last. Fourth. FOUR, you know, after that you just add TH. S-E-V-E-N, just you add T-H. 8, E-I-G-H-T, you know, just you add H to this. This is 8. 9th, N-I-N-E-U-N-E, you know, just you add T-H. 9th, 10th, T-E-N-T-H. So, these are the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. Then, short forms. For these, there are short forms. For 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So, short form of 1st is 1 and ST. Okay? Write 1 and after this suffix you write ST. 2nd, write 2, write ND. 2nd. 3rd, 3 RD. 3rd. 4th, 4 TH. 4th. 5 TH. 5th. 6th TH. 6th. 7th TH. 7th. 8 TH. 8th. 9 TH. 9th. Then 10 TH. 10. So these are the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. So your work is to by heart the spellings of ordinal numbers. F-I-R-S-T, 1st, S-E-C-O-N-D, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay? And then full forms and short forms you have learned now. Now quick checks. Check. Observe the order of letters in English alphabet. Fill in the blanks. A comes first. B comes second. Then D comes, which number D is? A, B, C, D. 4th. Then F. F comes. So here there are the alphabet. You can read it. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So F comes in 6th position. Next H. H comes. Read it up to H. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So E-I-G-H-T-H. 8th. I comes 9th, N-I-N-E-T-H. H is 8th, I is 9th position. Next, see this side. Observe the pictures of accelerator given below and match the people with their positions from bottom. Okay, now from the bottom to top we should discuss. From the bottom there is a first place is a woman with a file in her hand. So that she is first, so they have matched already. And the next one. Next, there is a man with a file in his hand with yellow shirt. So he is in second place. So match, he is here. Match him to second. Then third, a boy with a cap and a green shirt. He is in third place. So match him to the third place. And then first, second, third, then fourth, again a man with a file and brown coat. He is here. So match him to fourth. Then fifth, there is a lady with a spectacle. She is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. So match this lady to fifth. Next, there is a girl with green top. She is in sixth position. And then there is a short girl. She is 7th. Then 8th, last boy with a brown t-shirt. Okay. He is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. So match him to 8th. So like that you should match. Okay. According to the first, second, third positions, you should match the persons with the ordinal number. So now I know. Till this, whatever things you know, this is end of the chapter. We can group things into tens and extra ones, numeral names and recognition, comparison of numbers up to 20, A 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. Ordinal numbers defines the position of something. So till this we have covered. Tomorrow we will solve. Let us practice. Okay. You can try this to write, and tomorrow I will write on the board. You can compare your answer with my answer. So try to write. Let us practice page number 212. Okay. Thank you.